Hi everybody, Garry Springgay here with another Performance Auto and Sound exclusive video review. Just when it seemed like everyone had a handle on the various types of amplifiers available for our rides, the engineering gurus at Rockford Fosgate have thrown us a curve. For the last 30 years or so, the vast majority of amplifiers used in car audio have been basically one of two or three common topologies. Back in the 90s, almost all amplifiers were typical Class AB designs. Then along came Class D, which began with amplifiers designed for bass only. But as technology marches forward, Class D is now fast becoming the standard topology for any type of car audio amplifier. Well, now, Rockford Fosgate has introduced a new miniature-sized amplifier design that they're calling Class BR. This mono model is available now, and by the time you watch this, a 2-channel and 4-channel model should also be available. The concept behind these amplifiers is a simple, small chassis, high efficiency, and of course, good sound. This is the $239 Rockford Fosgate PBR300X1, which at only 1.5 inches by 4.25 inches by 6.75 inches is a very compact amp, but it's actually rated at 300 watts into 1 ohm. Of course, the first thing I did with this tiny punch amp was to listen to it, and after being thoroughly impressed with what it could do, the next thing I did was take it apart and find out what made it tick, or in this case, boom! As it turns out, the topology used inside the PBR300X1 isn't actually a whole new topology, but what it really is a very clever adaptation of a circuit sometimes referred to as a charge pump. While still technically a Class AB amplifier, the design allows higher than normally possible rail voltages without resorting to a typical switching type power supply. This approach provides several benefits. First, the design is inherently efficient, and the removal of the power supply devices, toroids, and so forth means the amplifier's size can be dramatically reduced. Second, because the amp is not switching huge currents at high speeds, the amount of radiated noise and radio interference can be virtually eliminated. And finally, through the use of high current capable MOSFET output devices, the design can easily drive 1 ohm loads with no problem. Rockford's design takes a typical charge pump idea several giant steps forward, however, in that the design allows the rail voltage to be dictated by the load and the output level. This further enhances power efficiency, and less power is lost to heat. In a world full of marketing hype and overstated performance claims, the Rockford Fosgate PBR300X1 stands out and delivers. The amp combines clever technical innovations with real high-performance audio in a package much smaller than you'd expect. So whether you need an amplifier for a motorcycle, an all-terrain vehicle, boat, or hell, even a full-blown Cadillac, the PBR300X1 is up to the task. If you'd like to check out more of the Rockford Fosgate gear and technology, visit www.rockfordfosgate.com. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.